Well, here we are. Got moved. Back on the new project. Just got the excavator here. And the plan is I'm going to walk down in there with the excavator and move some trees and bushes and branches out of the way that I cut last time. And we'll see if get back to that wet spot and see how wet that is, see if I'm going to go across it or what we're going to do there. So got the Link Belt 2700. It's a 1997. So see if we can make it happen here. All right, here we go. Heading her in. Alright, so we've worked our way in here, cleaned that all up. I put the wood on one side and kind of the brush and stuff on the other. So got that all cleaned out. And I worked my way right down to the edge of this wet. So we're gonna ease out across that and see what that's made of. It seems like it's rocky. Right down near the edge here, I had to pull a stump or two. And this was around the edge of it, and you can see I got some rock and things. Definitely some water too, but you know, there's water out here. So anyways, we're gonna ease out across that and see if we can't get over the other side and just see what it feels like underneath the lags. If not, then I'll build it back out there. So all right, let's get at it. All right, here we go. I'll move that rock, I guess. Just over the lags. So my lags will go over that. Just gonna lay these alders down in front of me, I think. Go across here. develop a skidder trail that I can come across on. Well, there it is. Definitely wet across there, but I mean, I made it across. So, like I say, if I might try to build across it. The high ground starts right about there. So once I get into that, if I can get some material from that side, maybe some material from the other, get across it, but might put down some fabric or clean that out a little bit. Alright, we'll walk her back across. just went and kind of swept all the mud off of it. It's got kind of a hard clay base under there, so should be able to build across. I'd rather just, you know, bring material and put it out on it, and you know, put some fabric down versus digging out in it. But we'll figure that out. Next step will be to figure out what I got cut on the other side to get over in there. But we accomplished what we needed to accomplish here. So that's looking out across the wet, and I'm right on the edge on this near side here. And that's looking back up towards the main road, so that's high ground up there. But as long as I get some more trees to cut back there, and then I got to cut on the other side over there. So, all right, well, we got to start. So, more to come. All right, just thought I'd do one more last walk through here. So that's looking down towards that wet run. Excavator's right here. My pickup, and there's the main road. So, yeah, everything went pretty well. Gonna get this wood moved off the sides. This is all pretty high and dry here anyways. Just need to cut this a little wider basically. Right here. Then we'll just dig and get material on the side. Put that in the road. That'll be fine. And not entirely sure what we're gonna do down here. I'd like to bring material out across it and not dig out in it. I think I can get material, be alright if it's set up for a year, but it's gonna be wet coming out of the ground there. So, but anyway, so this is coming down across. It's going all across it right there. But see if I could get material all across there and put some fabric down, just it's kind of a reassurance thing, and it might take a little bit, but we'll have to move some of that stuff, let the water out, make a hole, get a culvert and put a culvert in, then get up on that high ground on the other side. So, all right. Till the next one.